name is Tanmay Kaushik and I'm from Ahmedabad. I'm pursuing animation from Ahmedabad here. I came to know about this workshop from the course when Mehul and people they came to our institute for this. First of all, I always wanted to be part of this digital family and somewhere to know about filmmaking and all. And this workshop has helped me to a larger extent. And now at least I know how to make a good film. Actually, I knew about making films, but making a better film in a better way and understanding the camera angles and all that, it helped me a lot.
Excellent experience was that. I like that this is a family and nobody is teaching us. We feel that we are seeing this process and we can know this basic wonderfully.
And when I came to here, I got to know so much about like camera, sound effects, and had a great. I got a new family over here. The best experience I had that was the crane shot.
I came to know about DFM via a newspaper and also from a common source. I had heard a lot of praises about the Mumbai IIT DFM workshop, and ever since that day I was very excited to attempt it. I had made up my mind that even if it wasn't in Ahmedabad, I would do it any place wherever it would be held. I have been always very passionate about movies and movies making, and DFM proved like a boon to me. It was like God sent for me, and I had never it was fully on my part to leave this attempt. So.
મારું નામ અનિરુદ્ધ છે. હું filmmaker બનાવવા માંગુ છું. Okay, those are the two only sentences I know in Gujarati. I have come from Bangalore to attend the FTFM DFM workshop and it has been a great experience. Okay, to begin with, how I got to know about the workshop, I know Mr. Mehul Upadhyay through Orkut, so he introduced me to this workshop. I looked at the poster and it was really exciting, and I've been wanting to attend these workshops for a very long time. I got this opportunity. Although it was in Ahmedabad and I live in Bangalore, I didn't want to miss this opportunity. I came all the way. You can relate to simple things. So they relate these complicated things to simple things. So you easily relate to the complicated things. That's one very effective and a good manner that they use.
I'm Paresh Pandya. I'm from Ahmedabad and I'm management psychologist, management consultant and a corporate trainer. I'm very much passionate about film. I don't want to be a filmmaker or a director or a photographer, but I want to know some details about films and all. And that's why I have attended this workshop. I came to know by newspaper once. I was just looking at the newspaper and I got your advertisement, so I contacted here. And after joining this course, when I met people, I find these people are very enthusiastic and definitely I learned something more, and I attended this training program, this workshop, and I find really it is wonderful workshop, and I learn a lot of things about script writing, which I was actually interested in writing script, shot divisions, and taking shots from the camera, director's angle, everything which I find in this workshop is very beautiful and wonderful. And I think those who wanted to make career in the film line or this kind of digital films or anything else, it is really helpful to them. And I find after attending this workshop, the basic thing which I find is people, those who are teaching, their narration, their style of teaching, explanation, satisfying our questions and everything is really effective. It's really effective. And teamwork is really very good, and I find after attending this workshop we find that now we become family members. We are not different people now, we are from this FTFM family, and we always like to be with FTFM wherever we are.
My name is Akshay Vyas. I have completed my bachelor's in physics from MD Science Institute, and right now I'm pursuing a course in multimedia. Right from the beginning I was interested in this field because I had my own fantasy land and I needed to develop a concept around it, and I really needed a strong reason मुझे क्यों ये बाहर दिखाना है लोगों को कि मेरी दुनिया क्या है. और जब पहले मुझे इस DFM वर्कशॉप के बारे में पता चला था तो I was led by से 10 मिनट्स, तो ओरिएंटेशन लेक्चर तब चालू हो चुका था, लेकिन मैं नहीं चाहता था कि इसका कोई भी पार्ट मैं मिस करूं, इसलिए आई वेटेड फॉर द नेक्स्ट ओरिएंटेशन लेक्चर। और जब मैंने ये अटेंड किया तब आई वाज टोटली आई वाज गेटिंग द पॉइंट कि मुझे ये क्यों अटेंड करना चाहिए, क्योंकि एक तो ये कि जो यहाँ पे फैकल्टी में नहीं बोलना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि आई फेल्ट लाइक वन ऑफ माई ओन कलीग कि जिन्होंने खुद इस फील्ड को एक्सप्लोर किया है, वो इज टेकन द लीड टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाई इज इट सो, लाइक ये फील्ड क्या है और क्यों हमें अटेंड करने, व्हाई दे टुक सो मच ट्रबल टू कम टू आवर इंस्टीट्यूट एंड एक्सप्लेन अस कि हमें क्यों ये फील्ड इस वर्कशॉप को अटेंड करना चाहिए। और जब मेरा पहला दिन था तो आई वॉज लाइक कंफर्टेबल कि हाँ आई एम गोइंग इन द राइट वे। और यहाँ के जितने भी सीनियर्स हैं, जो FTFM के जो टीममेट्स हैं, दे रियली हेल्प्ड अस आउट और दे वर वेरी काइंड। कभी भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि ये लोग दे आर ट्राइंग टू फोर्स समथिंग, और लाइक इट वाज रियली ग्रेट एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू दोज पीपल एंड all the wishes to them.